Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to turn on AI mode Gemini on Google on laptop. First, open your Google Chrome on your laptop. AI mode works best here because it's a Google's own browser. Now in address bar type gemini.google.com. This is the official page where Google AI Gemini lives. To use AI mode you must be logged in, so click sign in at the top right corner. If you are not already signed in, choose your Google account and you are inside. If AI mode isn't on yet, click try Gemini or enable Gemini. This basically activates AI mode on your Google account. After turning it on, you are now able to use AI assistants anywhere on this page. If your laptop has the new Chrome AI feature, you can enable them too. Click on the three dots on top right corner of your Chrome. Go to settings and find Chrome AI or help me write. Turn it on depending on what available in your region. This gives you AI helps directly inside Chrome. Now just type your question, request or tags in the chat box of Gemini. You can ask it to write, summarize, answer, generate ideas and much more. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in next one.